dancers in action. How fabulous. Wow, what a big crowd. Ini baris uling di Joniki.
Ini Banjar Kajang.
Banjar Kajang, the walk Banjar Kajang. Oh, it's a great beauty in the front row. So fabulous because the Bariska Day has rather gone off in the last few years. And Banjar Kajang, which is the last village in the long line from Denpasar to Kuta, not hard on Kuta, has found 8 incredibly good-looking men, young men. Someone's trained them to do this classical dancing just when you thought it was going to be lost forever, so it brings tears to your eyes to see this. It's so beautiful. Really classic Bariska Day. Costume too. They've run out of real rembang, but they've got nice fake rembang. No, not a problem. So today is the climax of the 5 weeks. Wondering how they were going to top yesterday, but here they've done it. Red Jung Day was lined up. The Chalangs are looking butcher than ever. Extra shoulder padding in today. Paska tusuk Resa. All the ladies are going to be dancing. Rajang Niki. And a gag, no? Bon Bon. Kambangula Kepaon. That's the barong. So many pedandas are coming through. Oops, someone's in trance here already. That's pretty. Pedandas just brush past the trancee. Pedandas are never that approving of people in trance. They ask people to keep it ayu. But this is lovely when someone comes out of the audience to join the Rajangs. Very pretty. In keeping with the trend for the young girls these days. Here's another one. Isn't that sweet? Oh, here's another one. No one left to serve coffee in a minute. So they are thrilled that there's a few spontaneous free-range trances. Seni mesti nak meraung kita. Damu-damu dua ya. Dayang-dayang ya. Ayu-ayu ya. That is very special. Kepaon dancing on her birthday. Happy birthday! Oops, one of the girls has gone into a bit of a trance situation here. Up she goes into the temple. Off she goes. We'll follow them in. Been into the inner temple yet? Oh, they're the barong. They're the barong gang. In the inner temple, we have a gorgeous wayang kulit, wayang satmala, wayang lemah. So the center of activities is shifted to the
dalam.
This morning.
Penari rejang mangda siaga dumun malik jebos.
3 pedandas. A great big enclosure of more offerings here for the Mapaslang ceremonies.
Dur mengalir, rau pantun dur mengalir ni ratu dari bukan betul semua. Nah, perayaan kita rau pantun.
Unbelievable amount of activity. Haven't seen that sarad. It's the sarads that were outside yesterday, all beautifully parked. Wow, there's pedandas up there too. Beautiful gamelan playing. So, the ladies are going off to the Sun God Shrine, the Surya Shrine, which always signifies the start every day of proceedings. This very beautiful priestess. She's one of the Agungs from the palace. Very photogenic. Dandy Street boss. He's got a purple outfit on today. Dandy Street Lagas Anur. Dandy Street Laga Tegal has. Get that holy water off. High priestess business this. Wow, look at those keppings on the bottom of that. Gorgeous. Liz. The magic wand. Such a beauty. See it, Nikki. Adjun. Nama Ratu Agung down here. Hanging up. And down to Sidaman in the middle. Lots of serious Brahmin magic this morning. These Padandias trees are in full swing. Seems to have grown a rice loft since I was here last, and I'm a Pasalang, Bale Pasalang. Sure that wasn't there last week. So this is the new Bale Pasalang. Seems to be thrown up. That's where all the gods will move this afternoon for the final ceremonies. Yes, go Gria, Ricky. This is Bang Apota. The welcome to Bang Jigega. Heavens knows where they got all these doodads. Couldn't be more complete. To be a bar is happening in the outer courtyard. The gong from Sading. So the gods are coming down now to move to the Pasalang pavilion for the final acts of the Pedudusan Agung. It has to be the big Naga first.
Yang sana berlot, berlot balik buang seri. Kawasan jadi dengan satu juta. Lantaran cuma saja bos lantaran. Cuma atau malu lantaran. Murah nanti semakin murah dia. Nanti makin dia saru.
It's all across the courtyard. The gods are coming down. We move to the Paslang. Painted castle cloth. Whoops. Oh, here comes Topping Siddhikarya. Oh, with the trances. Two trances. That's great. The Topping today has grown a couple of trances. Just follow that for a while to see what they're up to. Great Topping Siddhikarya accessories. Oh, here's some more trances.
Nyaman winter, kajang. Nyaman winter, kajang.
Everyone went in the trances. All the gods are coming on.
Ya, gua alon-alon pantarung tuh. Merajam nyoman suya. Pelawatan durus tedonan, pelawatan tedonan. Pelawatan tedonan durus munggah kejeroan. Ini nomor benar iki. Tangga Made Westre.
Mayor Kangin itu benar sampai Mayor Kangin.
Sanggah nyoman Dharma Jabot Tengah.
Again.
Bu, sampun muka buka salib-salib bu.
Mind of his own.
Sanggah Ketut Marna. Sanggah diungkur ke, sanggah diungkur.
The Maris. Marong and Rangdan from Anjang. Dan Kajan Saka. Moving into the Zalam. Wow, that's great. Wow, what a morning. Inside the temple, everyone's moving, the gods are all moving up into the Paslang, where there'll be ceremonies. Welcome. Now, Chikoda Siman's having a good chap there. Sweet Chikoda Siman, he's really hanging in. So the Chikoda Siman has turned up for the third day running, which is a great honor for the temple. Gods are all moved. The Pedandas get a special meal up here, which is called Rasi Bujangal. Part of the Panchayadnyas. Rasi Yadnya. Oops, what have they got there? Wow. We can not miss here. Pesa. Siap Jan. So this is the final prayers. And then the gods will process back to the Balai Agung. Seems like a lot of processing and praying, but more the merrier. So the Vedanta's history, the three of them are wafting off the slung offerings to all the gods. So they're just getting a bit of a top-up, spiritual battery top-up before they return to the Balai Agung. So they've got to sprinkle the gods with holy water and rice basma, get them properly settled and welcomed, and then we'll all pray again. So the High Priestess is reading. So this is a special announcement, lontar. She's shifting the rice. Wow, we get to praise her. That was very beautiful. Those two Pedabdi histories reading from the Holy Scriptures, Kawi language. The girls have got all the bits and pieces to accompany the gods back.
Sangga wayang suami kajang.
Nah, Mangkudar, I got him.
Sangga Pak Komandar Tanah.
So all the barongs come out first, and now all the gods coming down now.
Merajang Nyoman Suyase Jabon Tengah.
Gods are coming down. I'll go back to the Baliago.
Sanggah Nyoman Dharma.
That ends the day's
Jabon Tengah.
proceedings.
Sanggah Ketut Arsita Kajang.
Very well arranged.
Sanggah Wayang Budi Saka Nyoman Sudarsana.
The gods going back to the Baliago.
Sanggah Wayang Suparte.
Sangah Nyoman Rite Banjar Saka.
Just all the Nawa sangers waiting outside.
Pepat raja ni
Megagah na besita.
kajian ni berbedek mau baris dua.
Back on the main road.
Sangah Pasak Kemuning. Sangah Wayan Biata.
Beautiful day's processions. Absolutely stunning.